guys, it's Ray. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, then welcome. Today we are doing a tutorial using the James Charles X Morphe palette. I'm so excited to finally use this. I've had it for quite a while. My friend, who's behind the camera, Bree, got it for me for Christmas, and I literally screamed. I put a clip of that in my What I Got for Christmas video, so check that out if you haven't already. But today we're going to be using this gorgeous palette. This is what it looks like if you haven't already seen it. There it is. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my P. Louise base on my eyelids. It's my favorite eyeshadow primer. I just started using it in 2018, and then I will zoom you guys in and we'll get started. Alright guys, I've got my P. Louise base on my eyes. I use the shade 1, and I don't set it. I think I'm going to try and do this eyeshadow look. We'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Code James first. It's like a transition shade right here. And I'm just gonna start using tapping motions, and then I'll blend it out later. I'm gonna take that pretty much all the way to my brow on this side. Alright, now I'm going to just go a little bit lower than that and use the shade You're Kidding with an M433 brush. And then I'm just gonna go back in with my M441 brush that I used first with no additional product and just blend it out a little bit extra. Alright, and now I'm going to add some of the shade 518 and tap it on the inner corner, kind of. I'm just trying to go off his picture, really. Not a tutorial, so I'm just guessing here. It looked like he had some orange in this area. And then I'm just going to take some of this yellow shade called B and just add a little bit of that over top of it. Alright, and then I'm taking the shade Escape. It's a very purpley shade. I'm taking it on the M506. I'm going to put it on my outer corner, just tap it on. This shade is one that has had like a lot of controversy with a lot of other people using it. It is a pressed pigment. A lot of the shades in here are. So you want to pat it on and then gently blend it out. Otherwise, if you like do it like you normally do a normal eyeshadow, it's going to be patchy. So let's see if I can get it right. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with my M433 brush that I used with the red shade called You're Kidding, and with no additional product, maybe, I'm just going to blend out the top of that purple just so you can see the red a little bit more, and it's going to make it a little shade of pink. I'm going to tap back into that red and add some more. Alright, now I'm going to tap into the blue shade Brother using my M507 brush. Can you even see this brush? Yes, you can. And put it just on the side, on the inside of the purple. Just tap that in there. And I may add a deeper shade of blue, I'm not sure yet. We're just kind of playing this by ear. Okay, yeah, let's take some of the deeper shade in Cola and see what that does. Ooh, yeah. Tap that, it's pigmented. So good. I'm kind of good and kind of fresh. Like James. That's what he says. Kind of good, kind of fresh. Was that corny? It was a recording, so
we are. And you better put that in your video.
Oh my god, it is recording! Alright, next I'm going to cut the crease using my P. Louise base and this brush from Alamar Cosmetics. It came in like a trio in the BoxyCharm. I think you can only buy it in the trio, but it's like the perfect brush for cutting your crease. And I have to say, I like to do my eyeshadow without my face on first, just so I don't have to be as careful. And there's no fallout on my face. Like, I'm shook. Alright, next I'm going to take my M507 that I used with the shade Cola, and I'm going to tap into that concealer a little bit, or the P. Louise base, it's not concealer, and just kind of blend out that harsh line. And then we'll add in the white. Alright, next I'm going to go in with this M224 brush. It's a flat synthetic brush. And I'm going to dip into this white shade. It's just stark white, matte, and beautiful. And it's called Flashback. And I'm going to add that to where I cut the crease. That's pretty. Alright, so I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this side is a little less white than this side. And I think that's my fault because I didn't put enough of the eyeshadow base down. So just keep that in mind. But I'm going to take this M507 brush with the shade Cola on it and just blend a little bit more into the white. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the shade Hello, this like light blue shimmery shade with this same Alamar Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to spray some Fix Plus on that after I apply it to the brush. And then I'm going to put it right over top where I did that blending. Keep going with it. There you go. Then blend the dark blue back into it.
It looks like a hidden color. Like it barely pops out.
Yeah, I see it now. I'm going to go back in with the M507 and the shade Cola. I'm going to take just a dab of that and blend into that shimmer. Alright you guys, I am done with the lids of my eyes. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna go do my face and then I'll be right back to do my lower lash line. Alright guys, so I did the rest of my face and then I popped on some Lily lashes in this style Miami, the one that everybody's wearing. So let me know what you think of them. They're a little more dramatic than I thought they were going to be. They're super curled, but I really like them and I think they go well with this look. So first for the lower lash line, I'm just going to go in with the shade Code James, the very first shade we use, kind of a burnt orange shade, just to like put down a color down there. Alright, and next I'm going to take this M168 brush, it's very like small and dense, and tap into that dark purple shade called Escape, and tap that on the outer corner, and then I will blend it up into the purple on my outer V that's up here. Alright, and now I'm going to take that same brush and tap into the dark blue shade called Cola and put it just on the inside of the purple, just like we did on the lid. And using that same brush, I wiped off the blue and the purple. I dipped into some of this green color, it's bright green. And I'm just doing what he did on his picture. This is the color Social Blade, and I'm going to tap that right here beside the blue. Alright, now all we have to do is put some mascara on the lower lashes and put a little bit of highlight on the inner corner, and we are done. So let's go ahead and do the highlight first. I'm going to use this Ofra highlight. This is the All of the Lights highlighter that I got for Christmas. It's got 4 different shades in it. I just like to mix them up a little bit. So I'm going to take this Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush and dip into the lightest shade just to highlight. And then I'm just going to take some of my NARS Climax mascara and put it on my lower lash line. I always say concealer for some reason. Alright you guys, that concludes the end of this video using the James Charles palette. I'm so glad I finally got to play with it. I literally was just waiting to film this video for you guys, and I'm actually really happy with the way that this turned out. I'm gonna kind of hold the box up so you can compare. I think I did pretty well. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm actually really surprised that I did this, you know? So I'm super happy about that. I know this is a little intense for a lot of people. So if you would like to see me use these middle shades and some of these up here, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to do another tutorial using those shades that aren't so crazy. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know what other videos you like to see. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!